Hello lovely. Are you ready to take charge of your future and create a business that fits your lifestyle? In today's video, we're going to explore 5 of the most popular online business ideas for 2025 that are perfect for women who want flexibility, creativity, and success. If you're ready to embark on your entrepreneurial journey, make sure to stay tuned. 1. Freelance services. Are you skilled in writing, graphic design, or social media management? These skills are in high demand right now. Freelancing lets you work on your own terms, giving you the freedom to choose clients and projects that align with your strengths. Plus, you'll be helping businesses thrive while working from anywhere. Pro tip: websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to start your freelance career. It's time to turn your skills into income and enjoy a lifestyle that's all about flexibility. 2. E-commerce store. Have a passion for handmade crafts, fashion, or beauty products? Then starting an e-commerce store could be your perfect business idea. You can easily turn your creativity into profit by selling your products on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even Instagram. Did you know? Setting up an online store doesn't have to be complicated. With e-commerce platforms, you can create a professional-looking shop in no time and start making sales. 3. Affiliate marketing. Do you love sharing products that you believe in? With affiliate marketing, you can promote products you're passionate about and earn commissions for every sale made through your unique link. How it works? By partnering with brands or companies that offer affiliate programs, you can promote their products on your blog, social media, or website. It's a fantastic passive income stream that requires minimal investment. 4. Blogging or content creation. Are you passionate about storytelling or teaching others? If you have something to say, starting a blog, vlog, or podcast could turn your voice into a profitable platform. Whether it's sharing your knowledge, experiences, or creativity, content creation can lead to multiple revenue streams. Tip: platforms like YouTube, WordPress, or even TikTok can help you get started and grow an engaged audience. 5. Dropshipping business. Do you want to sell products without the hassle of managing inventory? Dropshipping could be the perfect solution. With dropshipping, you can focus on marketing and sales while your supplier handles the shipping and inventory for you. Getting started. Websites like Shopify and AliExpress make it easy to find products to sell and start your dropshipping business with minimal upfront costs. Remember, your journey to success begins with courage, and everything else will follow. Start today, and let's make 2025 the year of your online business success.